when your workpiece is too big for a standard press. Meet the TTMC HP C-Series C-Type hydraulic press engineered for unrestricted access and heavy-duty performance. 2 different control options. Standard conventional push button. Simple, reliable, cost-effective, easy to operate. Optional PLC control. Programmable cycles. Higher precision. Process repeatability. Integration ready for smart manufacturing. Their open C-frame design provides access from 3 sides, giving operators more room to load and position workpieces. Whether you're assembling intricate structures or breaking down heavy parts, the HP C-Series gives you the space and strength to get it done. From HP 20C to HP 100C, different capacity from 200 kN to 1000 kN to meet different work needs. Stop wrestling with your equipment. Start working efficiently.